देवी और सज्जनों नमस्कार। इनफाइनाइट स्प्लेंडर की यूट्यूब की एक और बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग उड़ान में आप सभी का स्वागत है। तो आज हम करने वाले हैं ये वाला मेकअप लुक विच इज़ uber chic, classy, super glam, festive ready, wedding appropriate, like you name it, and this makeup look would fit the occasion. As we know, the festive season is right around the corner. Diwali, Durga Puja, Navratri, all of that is like right here lined up. तो इसीलिए आज मैंने आप लोगों के लिए ये मेकअप लुक क्रिएट किया है और आप इसको किसी भी कलर के आउटफिट के साथ, इंडियन, एथनिक, वेस्टर्न, इंडो वेस्टर्न, किसी भी आउटफिट के साथ बहुत ही ईजिली कैरी कर सकते हैं एंड आई बेट यू गोना हैव देम हेड्स टर्निंग। तो जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं आज हमने ये लुक क्रिएट किया है जो कि है एक nude yet super glam makeup look. Like you can see I have a full face of makeup on, yet there is nothing which is like right on your face, you know, there's like no color standing out too much. Your entire base is super glowy, super dewy, absolutely fresh and festive ready. So what are we waiting for? Let's get straight into the tutorial.
सो हियर I'm स्टार्टिंग ऑफ विद मॉइस्चराइज़र। ये एक वाटर बेस्ड मॉइस्चराइज़र है और मैं अपना टाइम लेके अच्छे से इसको अपने स्किन पे मसाज कर रही हूँ। इसमें एलोवेरा की भी गुडनेस है। आपको जो भी मॉइस्चराइज़र पसंद हो आप वो अपने स्किन टाइप के हिसाब से यूज़ कर सकते हैं। इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू टेक टाइम इन दिस स्टेप बिकॉज अ गुड बेस स्टार्ट्स विद एन अमेजिंग फ्रेश मॉइस्चराइज्ड स्किन. Now I'm moving on to a primer. As you can see, I'm struggling to get a little bit of product out from the tube because मैंने इसको इतना ज़्यादा use कर लिया है. So for me, this is another very important step because प्राइमर मेरे स्किन के बीच में और मेकअप के बीच में एक बैरियर क्रिएट करता है जो मुझे लगता है बहुत ज़रूरी है टू हैव अ गुड स्मूथ एंड फ्लॉलेस बेस एंड हैव योर मेकअप लास्ट फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. सो नाउ मूविंग ऑन विद द फाउंडेशन. सो आज के लुक के लिए मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ एक डेमी मैट फिनिश का फाउंडेशन एंड आई बी यूजिंग अ डैम्प ब्यूटी स्पंज टू ब्लेंड इट अक्रॉस माई फेस. सो फर्स्ट आई एम डॉटिंग द प्रोडक्ट विद द हेल्प ऑफ माई फिंगर टिप्स और उसके बाद अपने डैम्प ब्यूटी स्पंज से मैं इसको इवनली पूरे फेस पे स्प्रेड करूँगी. Now here I'm working in very light layers because I don't want my foundation to look super cakey. अगर हमें सेकेंड लेयर की ज़रूरत होती है या ज़्यादा कवरेज की ज़रूरत होती है then we can again go in with another layer, but for that it's very important that we work really quickly. So again I'm going on with the second layer of foundation over here और इसमें आप देख सकते हैं कि I'm only applying it to places where I actually need coverage because I don't go very heavy with concealer. I want my base, my skin to look like skin and not a cake face, if you know what I mean. Also, don't forget to blend your foundation on your ears and down your neck because that will give you that even finish and ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि you have different colors across your face and neck. Moving on with a concealer. Now this concealer for me is slightly peachish and I think it works wonderfully because peach actually helps in color correcting any darkness around your face. तो यहाँ पे मैं इसको अपने अंडर आइज़ पे अप्लाई कर रही हूँ अराउंड माई माउथ और जहाँ पे मुझे लग रहा है थोड़े बहुत स्पॉट्स है वहाँ पे यूज़ कर रही हूँ एंड देन अगेन आई विल बी यूजिंग माई फिंगर टिप्स टू ब्लेंड इट बिकॉज मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आपके स्किन के वार्म से जो प्रोडक्ट है वो काफ़ी हद तक मेल्ट हो जाता है और आपको बहुत ही फ्लॉलेस फिनिश मिलती है. इफ़ यू वॉन्ट यू कैन ऑल्सो गो अहेड विथ the same beauty blender or a brush of your choice and blend this product, but I feel a concealer or a corrector for me works best when I use my fingertips to do it. Abhi just for the final step I'm using the same beauty blender to blend the foundation and the concealer together. Now moving on to the next product, which is a setting powder. I'm using a translucent setting powder for this look because I don't want too much color on my base anymore. And a translucent powder is just perfect for that. वो आपके बेस को भी सेट करेगा और आपको बहुत ज़्यादा flashback भी नहीं मिलेगा if you're using the right product. And if you're interested in knowing what product I'm using, you can check out the description box. Here I'm just trying to focus on the technique and what product to use for what kind of a look, okay? So after applying it with the sponge the product came with, I'm using a powder brush to blend it all across my face and I think it gives me the most airbrushed kind of a finish. It gives me very natural kind of a look. So the next product we are moving on to is an eyebrow styler. Now for me, doing my eyebrows is one of the most important things when I do my face makeup, because eyebrows really frame your face and gives you that definition that your face is otherwise lacking. Even if your eyebrows are very thick, very bushy and very well defined naturally, if you just fill in one or two sparse areas which may be present, I think it just gives you that very, very put together look. So it's very important to choose the right shade of your eyebrow pencil or powder or whatever product you like, or a pomade. So I'm using something which is very close to my hair color and then just brushing it out with a spoolie. Now I'm moving on with the very interesting part of this look, which is the eyeshadow. I'm using a warm toned brown / peachy shade for my transition. और क्योंकि मेरा जो लिड स्पेस है वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा है, मैं अपने क्रीज के ऊपर की तरफ इसको ब्लेंड कर रही हूँ टू क्रिएट दैट वेरी स्मूथ ट्रांजिशन. बट अगर आपका लिड स्पेस इतना नहीं है और थोड़ा कम है, तो आप इसको सिर्फ अपने क्रीज के आसपास ही कॉन्सेंट्रेट कर सकते हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा ऊपर की तरफ इसको स्प्रेड मत कीजिएगा. Also, I feel like this warm kind of a shade creates a very beautiful transition for the colors that are about to follow. So now moving on to the next shade, which is a dark burgundy-ish, wine-ish kind of a shade, and I'm using it at the outer corners of my eyes. मैं इसको अपने आई सॉकेट के बाहर के 1/3 पोर्शन में कॉन्सेंट्रेट कर रही हूँ और इसको ब्लेंड करते हुए थोड़ा सा बाहर की तरफ भी फ्लिक आउट कर रही हूँ, बिकॉज मेरा नेचुरल आई शेप थोड़ा इलोंगेटेड है. तो अगर आपकी आंखें ज़्यादा राउंडेड है तो आप इसको बाहर की तरफ फ्लिक आउट नहीं भी कर सकते. यू कैन जस्ट क्रिएट अ राउंडेड C kind of a shape. It totally depends on what complements your eyes and what makes you look the best, right? So it's completely up to you the shape in which you want to blend this, but I feel like this look suits me the best and it just goes very well with my natural eye socket shape. I hope I'm able to explain that. Now I'm just going in with the previous brush without adding any more product to it. I'm just blending the edges of the two shades that we just applied. And now I'm using my finger to apply this metallic shade on the rest of my eyelid, जिसको हमने पहले खाली छोड़ा था. But as you can see in person that it actually looks very nice, but camera is not really picking up the shade a lot. So I'm just blending that shade with the help of my fingers, and I will also be going in with a slightly more pigmented metallic shade to create that depth and that kind of an impact which I'm looking for with this eye look. So अभी मैं इसको बहुत हल्के से just अपने eye के inner and the mid part में blend कर रही हूँ. And now I'll be moving on with another shade which is a more golden / bronze kind of a metallic shade, और उसको मैं अपने eye socket के बिल्कुल जो सेंटर पार्ट है जहाँ पे आपका आई बॉल होता है उसके ऊपर ही कॉन्सेंट्रेट कर रही हूँ. आई एम नॉट स्प्रेडिंग इट टू मच बिकॉज देन आई वॉन्ट द अटेंशन टू बी राइट एट द सेंटर ऑफ माई आई. Now I'm going in with a stiff brush and I'm dipping in back into the dark burgundy brown shade which we used earlier, और इसको मैं अपने lash line के outer half पे ही लगा रही हूँ. मैं इसको अपने inner lash line पे बिल्कुल नहीं लगाऊंगी because I want this look to be very very blended and I want the same eyeshadow game going on. ऊपर जो लिड पे हमने कारीगरी करी है सेम नीचे भी वही होनी चाहिए, राइट? सो ऊपर का हमने इनर पार्ट खाली रखा था तो नीचे का भी हम यहाँ पे इनर पार्ट खाली ही रखेंगे. एंड टेक योर टाइम टू ब्लेंड दिस इन एंड फ्लिक इट आउट जस्ट लाइक व्हाट वी डिड ऑन द अपर लिड. अब मैं वापस सेकंड वाले ब्रश के साथ उसी बर्गंडी शेड को फिर से थोड़ा सा पिक करके अपने आउटर कॉर्नर के कलर को थोड़ा सा इंटेंसिफाई कर रही हूँ. And now I'm going to move on to the brow bone highlight and the inner corner highlight. So I'm using a small blending brush and I'm using this to highlight the high points of my brow bone and using the same shade to highlight my inner corner as well. Now moving on to the kohl pencil, I'm just lining my upper waterline to give that very full lash effect. Okay, moving on to mascara. I'm using it to give a base for the falsies that are just about to follow and concentrating it mainly on my lower lashes. This is a very important step because I feel like it gives you that very wide open, awake kind of an eye look. And trust me, once you start doing this, it is going to change your eye look game. Like it's going to completely transform it. Okay, so if you haven't been doing this already, I insist you try it once and just see the difference. So now we are moving on to falsies, and I'm applying my lash glue onto my lash band over here and just giving it a few seconds so that it gets tacky and it's easy for us to apply it to our natural lashes. By the way guys, if you guys are interested in knowing how to apply false lashes even for beginners, like if you want a step-by-step guide and आप चाहते हैं कि मैं एक इसके ऊपर सेपरेट वीडियो बनाऊं, तो वो आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हैं. आई वुड लव टू मेक दैट फॉर यू गाइज, एंड आई हैव सम टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स फॉर यू गाइज विच विल मेक इट सो ईजी. एंड दिस इज व्हाट दीज लैशेस लुक लाइक आफ्टर इट्स डन. Now moving on to slightly warming up our face by using a contour shade. So here I am just using this cool toned contour shade as a bronzer, rather because मैं अपने face को ज़्यादा sculpt नहीं कर रही हूँ. I'm just warming up the edges of my face to give it a little bit of depth and a little bit of a defining or definition to my face structure. I love doing this because it just gives that naturally tanned kind of a look to your face. If you don't do this step, then it just gives an overall washed out kind of a look, and I love having depth and highlights on my face, so I feel this is the easiest way to do it. So again, I'm just moving on with blush using a blush brush, and I feel like this color complements this look so well. ये एक peachy pink color का shade है, और ये जो हमने eye look create किया है with this blush just forms a very very cohesive monochromatic kind of a look, and I absolutely love the way it's turning out. Now to my very favorite part. Oh my goodness, I am using this jelly highlighter, which is my absolute favorite go-to product. You can see how easy this is to apply. इसको मैं अपने fingertips पे लेके अपने cheek bones पे लगा रही हूँ, and just look at that blinding glow. Like trust me, आप जहाँ जाएंगे वहाँ पे ऐसे 100 watts के bulbs जलेंगे. Bulbs, tube lights, whatever you want to call it. You can rather be a walking, talking disco ball yourself. And I just absolutely love the way it looks. It gives you that very natural, healthy, lit from within kind of a look. It doesn't look like you have too much of highlighter on. This is what I'm talking about, how it looks in person. So trust me on this guys, jelly highlighter is the way to go. This is even better than liquid highlighters or powder highlighters or cream highlighters. I just love the formulation of this product, and now you can see how well it's melted into my skin, and ये बहुत जल्दी set होता है. So it's absolutely transfer proof, and once it is done, you saw how I applied it on top of powder, right? So that's how good it is. And now I am moving on to one of my very favorite lipstick shades that I'm applying for this look, which is Trendsetter from Huda Beauty. I absolutely love this look, and this lip color is one such color which is going to complement any skin tone, any undertone, any complexion. And after the lipstick has been set, this is what it looks like on me. I totally love it. And now I'm going on with a powder highlight for that extra bling, for that extra shine and glimmer. And we're just defining our collarbone a little bit. और मैं इससे अपने shoulders को भी थोड़ा सा highlight करूँगी. If you're wearing a dress like this which has spaghetti straps, or you are wearing something off shoulder or cold shoulder, you can of course do this, because these cold shoulder tops are so in trend these days, though I'm not a very big fan of it, but I love doing this. And trust me, ये मैं पहली बार कर रही हूँ. Like I've never done it in real life, but I think I would love to do this. So this is what it looks like. It just gives this very healthy glow, and the shade which I used For the jelly highlighter was a bronze shade. I love this tanned look, and this is what the final look looks like. So guys, I really hope you're enjoying it so far. We are almost done. Actually, we are completely done. Now I'm just going to set my entire makeup with some setting spray, and then we are good to go. I have absolutely fallen in love with how this look has turned out. I did not quite see it through, but then we went with the flow, and this looks absolutely stunning. So I think no beauty tutorial, makeup tutorial is ever complete without these beauty shots, right? So I'm just giving you a little bit of a glimpse of yahan wahan ka thode angles, just a little Bollywood touch to it. And now I'm just adding a dewy makeup finishing setting spray just to finish up the entire look and seal my makeup look, and it's going to keep it in place for hours and hours and hours.
So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई है तो प्लीज़ हिट द लाइक बटन, सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल अगर आपने ऑलरेडी नहीं किया है तो, और डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू हिट द bell notification button right next to the subscribe button so that you get notified every single time this face shows up on YouTube. I love you all so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. I shall see you in the next one. Mwah.